Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix IsDone.dll on Unarc.dll return an error code -11. So this is what you need to do. First, you can just click on the search. If you are on Windows 11, you can click on the search in here or click on the window, the start menu, and then just type in config, and here type on the system configurations, and after that you can click on the boot tab in here. Go to the advanced options. Here on the number of processors, check this box and change the number into 4 like this. Now you can click on OK, and after that you can click on apply, and in here click on OK. So you can see that the system corporation need you to restart your computer to apply these changes. But before starting, you can save any open files and close all programs. So after this, you can just click on restart, and after that here, after you finish installing the game, make sure that you go back to the ms config again and uncheck the number of processors, the one before you set into 4. You can uncheck the box and reboot, and after that you are done. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.